Hello everyone, myself Varsha Upadhyay. I have two kids, Ananya Upadhyay and Hardik Upadhyay, and both of them study in Bal Bharati Public School, Dwarka. As we all know that the entire India is under lockdown due to spread of COVID-19, a pandemic disease. And like all moms, I was also worried how my kids are going to spend their entire day at home. How will they study? How will they play? What will happen? And they are going to trouble me. But as after the results, they were supposed to join the school from 1st April, and as we know that we are under lockdown, so the schools were closed. But to my utter surprise, the team of BBPS Dwarka came up with the digital learning concept online classes from 1st April itself. They have planned a full-fledged timetable and they are taking the classes as per the timetable. Online classes was a new concept for me, so I was not sure how much it is going to succeed, whether the kids will be able to learn, whether they will understand, whether they will be able to handle the mobile or their system. What will happen? They will not be able to learn. That was my thought. But to my utter surprise, let me tell you, it is great. The kids are doing great. And the team of BBPS Dwarka, the teachers, they have planned their study material in such a way that they are able to teach the kids in the best possible manner. They are handy, they are readily prepared with their raw material, they are using the pictures, drawings, videos to explain the concepts to the kids. They are not wasting time during the classes to find the material. They are handy with this. Some of the teachers are using A4 size sheets to explain, are using the A4 size sheets as blackboards to explain to the kids. They are taking up the queries of the kids one by one. They are not moving ahead before making sure that the kids have understood the concept. They are taking tests online, verbally, and orally, one by one. They are doing everything possible, and the cherry on the top is that they have not started the curriculum activities also. They are teaching Western dance, Indian dance, Western music, Indian music, art, etc. also through these online classes. And one more thing, they have also started one artificial intelligence class in which they are teaching the kids how they can manage this online classes concept, how they have to use the chat box, how they have to mute yourselves, what is the discipline they are supposed to maintain during the online classes. So I must tell that the team of BBPS Dwarka is doing their best to succeed this digital learning concept, and they have come across with a very great concept. Digital learning, they are taking the classes through Teams app, which is very good. Though there are some hassles, but despite those hassles, the kids are being able to learn very well. I'm very satisfied. I want to thank all the teachers of the BBPS Bal Bharati Public School Dwarka, principal ma'am, vice principal ma'am, class teachers, subject teachers, activity teachers, everybody. Thanks a lot for this. Thank you so much.